Hi, Karen here. In this video, I'll show you how I made mosaics for a whole pet family. How fun! It started with her two cute pugs. This is Wheezy. And as always, I start with those unique pug eyes. I fabricated the nose for both the pugs out of Pal Tiya. For the pugs, I used bowls, vases, dishes, cups to give it that special dimensional look. Here's Wheezy in the garden. This is Gilligan. She has a jeans jacket, which I had fun making, and I gave her a tattoo. Gilligan and Wheezy turned out great. Time to send them to Penny. Well, that's it. I got the whole family done. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye.